In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Canva on your PC. So watch this video till the end to learn how, and also subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss videos similar to this. Firstly, head over to your browser, then in the search bar type in Canva Windows. Now as you enter the website, you can see an option to download it. Click on Start Download. After the application has been downloaded in your device, open the application. Now before you use Canva on your desktop, you need to log into your account on the website of Canva. After you do that, you can open the desktop app. And just like that, you have downloaded Canva on your PC. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more videos similar